November 17, 6 o'clock. Starting the car. There's something wrong with it. Like that. Just wearing sound. You just see. It's like the starter is not engaging. Like that. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm just gonna throw the OBD on it. So this car is getting up to 10 years, 2017. This car was bought 2017, so it's now 2025. So it's getting up to its age. So the car has been acting strange lately, and this morning when I started the car, it didn't want to start the car. The starter was acting funny. So the starter was taken out of the vehicle, and we did a tear down on the starter. So what turned out to be the problem is this, whatever this is. This is the pusher. It pushes the gear to engage the flywheel. Now, this thing has a tendency to melt, especially when the starter is engaged for several minutes. And so the plastic begins to, it self-disassemble, or it begins to melt. And it no longer able to push. This whole assembly is supposed to push the gear toward the flywheel. So the assembly itself, not sure exactly how the plastic is, but however, the plastic is melted. So these are the pieces that goes with it. And now we're looking out to how much this thing costs. We think it's going to be around $5,000 or $100, something like that. So just to summarize what's been happening with the car. So the first thing it went is the fan. It gave an error. So fan goes first because it's used a lot. The car is, when we're in the parking lot and waiting, the car is always on and the aircon is active. So the fan went. What else went? So the compressor went. And then the cooler inside the car went, and then so multiple problems relating to the cooling system. So compressor, the grill that goes inside the housing, the car went, got plugged, leaked. So multiple leakage went. Just what you call cascading effect. So several days ago, the something else went. So we got that repaired. So this car wasn't shifting, or the display wasn't displaying properly. So what turned out was the cable tied to this shift broke off, and so we had that repair as well. So expect vehicle to not last long when it comes to different type of problems and challenges. So I don't know what else. Oh yeah. So typically this type of equipment, the transmission fluid, it's one of those things where it's hard to, it's not hard, but they should last a long time. So we checked the transmission fluid. It's now black. So we're going to have to budget for changing or cleaning the filter inside the transmission, change the transmission fluid. So we're gonna have that also checked and clean and things. So 2017, multiple problems with the car. I expect these things to happen. However, I didn't expect them to happen almost at the same time. So Yeah, let's see. Last year, compressor, whatever, the cooling system was basically replaced. Now I hear the compressor is running silly. It's making a lot of noise, so the compressor is going. So we'll probably have to replace the compressor again. So anyway, this car is getting up to its life, and parts are being replaced. So this is the fun of owning a vehicle. Thanks for watching.